Have you ever pondered upon the power of wisdom and discernment in shaping your life? An intriguing question, isn't it? To fully grasp the essence of life and the choices we make, we must delve into the core of wisdom and discernment. They are the compass that guides us, the light that illuminates our path, and the force that pushes us towards making informed decisions. In the vast ocean of life's teachings, we often find pearls of wisdom hidden in the most unexpected of places. One such treasure trove is Proverbs 26, a chapter from the Bible that presents a unique blend of cautionary tales and insightful advice. It reveals profound truths about human nature and the consequences of our actions, offering a roadmap for navigating the complexities of modern-day living. So, are you ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Join us on this journey as we delve into 8 verses from Proverbs 26 that could help us navigate modern-day living. Firstly, like snow in summer and as rain in harvest, so honor is not fitting for a fool. This intriguing verse from Proverbs 26 is a profound reminder that honor should not be misplaced. Just as snow in summer or rain during harvest time are out of place and disruptive, so too is it inappropriate to bestow honor on those who exhibit foolish behavior. It's a call for discernment in whom we respect and admire. It's not about being judgmental, but rather about recognizing the value of wisdom and the consequences of folly. The verse suggests that awarding honor to those undeserving can lead to disorder and confusion, much like snow disrupting a summer's day or rain spoiling the harvest. It's a powerful metaphor for understanding the importance of earned respect. So let's take this wisdom to heart. Remember, honor should be earned, not freely given. Moving on, like a sparrow in its flitting, like a swallow in its flying, so a curse that is causeless does not alight. This verse from Proverbs 26 paints a vivid picture. Just as a sparrow or swallow doesn't just randomly stop in mid-flight, a curse without cause won't land. It's a poetic way of saying that our words, particularly negative ones, should not be without reason or justification. In our day-to-day conversations, we might be tempted to speak ill of others out of anger, jealousy, or spite. But this proverb advises us to refrain from such behavior. It reminds us that words, especially curses, have a weight and can carry consequences. Without a valid reason, these negative words will not find their mark, much like a bird not alighting mid-flight. So, let's take this wisdom to heart. In all our interactions, let's strive to use our words constructively, not destructively. Words have power, use them wisely. Let's consider: a whip is for the horse, a bridle for the donkey, and a rod for the back of fools. And answer a fool according to his folly, lest he be wise in his own eyes. These 2 verses carry a significant message about the necessity of discipline and confrontation. In the first verse, we find an analogy of discipline. Just as a whip and a bridle guide and control animals, so too should discipline be used to correct foolish behavior. The rod symbolizes correction and guidance, not cruelty. The second verse advises us to confront foolishness head-on. Sometimes, it is necessary to mirror a fool's folly so that they can see their own foolishness reflected back at them. This is not about being rude or disrespectful, but about showing them the error of their ways, preventing them from becoming complacent or arrogant. Discipline and confrontation, when used wisely, can prevent complacency and arrogance. Lastly, whoever sends a message by the hand of a fool cuts off his own feet and drinks violence. Like a lame man's legs that hang loose, so is a proverb in the mouth of fools. And like one who binds a stone in a sling, so is he who gives honor to a fool. Let's delve into these verses, shall we? The first one talks about entrustment. It's an analogy that illustrates the perils of trusting an important task to someone who's not up for it. It's like cutting off your own feet, it's self-sabotage. And drinking violence, that's a vivid way of saying you're inviting trouble. So the takeaway here, be discerning about who you trust with what matters to you. Moving on, we've got like a lame man's legs that hang loose, so is a proverb in the mouth of fools. This one's about words. It's saying that wisdom wasted on a fool is as useless as a pair of legs that can't walk. It's a stark reminder to be mindful of our words. They can fall flat if spoken without understanding, or they can truly resonate when spoken with insight. And finally, like one who binds a stone in a sling, so is he who gives honor to a fool. This one's about undeserved honor. Imagine trying to sling a stone that's tied down. It's not going anywhere. Honor given to a fool is just as ineffective. It doesn't elevate them, it only diminishes the value of the honor itself. So let's be cautious about who we honor and why. These verses from Proverbs 26 offer us a roadmap for modern living. They guide us to be discerning in our trust, mindful in our speech, and thoughtful in our recognition of others. It's all about wisdom and discernment, two attributes that never go out of style, no matter the century. In conclusion, wisdom and discernment are crucial in navigating our modern-day living. So, what can we take away from these verses in Proverbs 26? In a world that often seems chaotic and confusing, the wisdom from Proverbs 26 provides a compass, guiding us through the challenges of modern life. It teaches us to recognize and not honor foolish behavior, to refrain from unjust criticism, and to apply discipline and correction when necessary. It warns us of entrusting important tasks to those who may not be competent, and it emphasizes the weight and impact of our words. These timeless truths, wrapped in vivid imagery, are as relevant today as they were when they were first penned. They encourage us to exercise discernment in our relationships, to be thoughtful in our speech, and to be wise in our actions. In essence, the wisdom from Proverbs 26 is a roadmap to a life of integrity and honor, steering us away from folly and towards wisdom. Remember, wisdom and discernment are not just words, they are powerful tools that can help us navigate through life.